Welcome back, folks. Another live trade case study here for you on the NASDAQ. Looking to take longs today. I can see some liquidity above the market here. Buy side liquidity resting above equal highs there, or relative equal highs. Kind of want to see if the market can take out some liquidity first and then give me some kind of a buy setup for me to take a position. Okay, so we're about to hit the 9:30 open, and then I will just monitor the market, and then if there's a setup, I'll take it. For now, I'm just in a monitoring mode, right? And going to go on mute, and you'll see me take action if there's anything that I find as a setup. Okay, I'm looking for longs. So we'll see how this pans out. Okay, folks, taking a short here. Okay, looking for a move down to somewhere around 19,000. We'll see, maybe up to 20,000. Going on mute, and let's just see how far this moves down. Okay. Okay, folks, I'm adding to my shorts, and what I'm doing here is basically adding on every pump up. Okay, now don't worry, at the end I will reveal why I feel we are going down, why I'm scaling into shorts. Okay, so stay tuned, because I will be revealing right at the end exactly what I saw and why I felt the market was going down to where I believe it was going. Okay. Okay, I'm adding some more, scaling into more into my position. And what I'm doing here, you can see this is a 1 minute bullish fair value gap. Okay, and this is essentially a bullish signature that I want to see fail because I'm expecting lower prices. And I'm just waiting for this to fail so that I can scale into more of my shorts. Okay, I'm pyramiding into my position, right? And basically what I'm doing here is I am trying to short at every opportunity I get, right? Because I have an objective that the market's moving to the downside at a level that I feel the market's reaching for, and I will reveal why I feel that way, what I see, okay? And so I'm just waiting for this bullish signature to fail so that I can add more into my position. There we go. And what I'm essentially doing here is every pump up, I'm scaling into my shorts, okay? Okay, folks, I mentioned that I was looking for 20,000. So I've taken partials, a nice chunk of profits there. Very, very choppy price action. Only now it's starting to move, leaving a remainder on for the final target there. And let me show you what I was working with. Okay, so when I came to the screen, it was 9:30 and the position, the setup was already in play, right? So this was where I shorted, right? That's where I basically came to the market and looked at the screen, understood what was going on, and I'm going to show you on the 15-minute time frame, okay, what I was looking at. Okay, so you can see that is a very clean market maker sell model, right? And you can see my last target is down here. I'm not sure if we'll get all the way down there. We've kind of come right to this order block, which is where all this expansion started. That could be it, right? So I've taken partials at 20,000, which is inside of this fair value gap. Okay, so it's a good level to take partials. You can see beautiful market maker sell models. I came to the screen after 9:30, right? So you can see I've identified this and I've just waited for a little push up, right? Only a tiny push up. And that's where I was shorted there. And you can see I have scaled in, right? Just all along the way, okay? So this could be it, right? We've hit the order block. We don't have to get down below that consolidation, right? But that was the basis of that trade, okay? Showing it to you every day, right? On any market. Now I'm showing it to you every day on the NASDAQ, right? Still trading gold, but these are skills that can be used on any market, okay? So if you're interested in joining the VIP community where we do this kind of trading every single day, then the link to join the community is in the description of this video. Okay, I've closed out my shorts. As you have seen, I'm now taking a long position because the bullish fair value gap is holding. Okay, and obviously we're coming to that bullish order block as well. So I believe now we will target the buy stops above those equal highs. Okay. There you go, folks. If that's not mastership, then I don't know what is. Traded it all the way down to the downside objective and then closed out, covered my shorts, took a long to the upside objective. Okay? That's who you want to be learning from. Someone who knows the ICT principles and can teach you how to apply them in any market. Okay? What do you see over here on the left-hand side? Fair value gap. What do you see coming down into the fair value gap? You have your bullish order block. Okay? These setups repeat every day. You just need to know how to identify them, how to execute, how to manage risk, okay? And the various signatures that are presented by the algorithm at the key times. And obviously, the bias. That's the most important thing. Without bias, it's very difficult. But when you know all of those things, you can put it all together, then the rewards are unlimited, right? Showing it to you every day. Now I'm showing it to you on the NASDAQ, right? Still trading gold, but I'm just showing it to you so that you know that it's a skill for life that can be applied on any market. I hope the video is useful. If you want to join the VIP community, the link to join is in the description of the video. I will now talk with you in a future video.